factory of 324. So 324, it can be written as 2 times 162. 2 times 162 means 324. 162, it can be written as 2 times 81. 2 times 81 means 162. 81, it can be written as 3 times 27. 3 times 27 means 1. 3 times 27 means 81. 27, it can be written as 3 times 9. 3 times 9 means 27. Like as 9, it can be written as 3 times 3. 3 times 3 means 9. So now we select prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 2, these all 3. So we can write 324 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times these 2 times this 3 times this 3 times this 3 and at last this 3. So this much for today and thanks for watching.